During my career, I've constantly seen many people who have been dancing for many years but still cannot do basic steps clean. This causes a lot of frustration that sometimes make you want to quit flamenco. That's why my mission as a teacher is to give you strong foundations: compass, steps, coordination, body movement, and also concepts and flamenco codes. It is much worse when you have to relearn something rather than to learn it from the beginning in the right way. So find a teacher that gives you that solid base. Don't forget that in flamenco we really are musical instruments and we interact with other musicians. So don't just hit the floor, try to make music with intention. Think about accents, volume, phrasing, just like when we talk. Metronome, apps, palmas, whatever you like, but never lose sight of the rhythm. Always be sure you understand how to fit your steps into the rhythm and how you can play with it, because without the compass, you're lost. You need to admire your teacher, to love their way of dancing, their style, their energy, because when you feel inspired by them, you will value their teaching even more. Sometimes we are so focused on footwork that we forget that all the rest of the body is dancing and speaking. So take your time to work on your posture, on your arms, your presence, your attitude. That's where your real expression comes from. Flamenco is endless. Find time for yourself and a routine of practice you can stick to. Find joy and satisfaction in the act of practicing rather than focusing just on the effort and the hard work. Your reward is closer than you think. It takes time to see the results that you want, but I guarantee you that with my guidance, with discipline, and if you learn to practice in the right way, you'll be surprised at how fast you improve. Do the hard work and flamenco will give it all back to you.